Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Xbox Rock Band is probably one of the most fun and engaging ways to experience music gaming on your Xbox console, offering a fantastic opportunity to jam out with friends, family, or even solo, and this video will provide you with an in-depth look at what makes this bundle such a compelling choice for music lovers and gamers alike, covering everything from the instrument quality to the game's extensive song library and online multiplayer capabilities, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your gaming setup and musical preferences. Number 5. Rock Band 4 Wireless Guitar Bundle. Experience the thrill of a live performance like never before with Rock Band 4. Gather your friends and unleash your inner rock star on stage. It boasts over 60 new tracks from legendary and emerging artists. Plus, you can access more than 1,500 songs through the in-game store. Unleash your creativity with the new Freestyle Guitar Solos mode. Craft your own unique guitar riffs and solos. The innovative Shows mode enhances multiplayer fun. Create set lists, vote on songs, adjust difficulty, all on the fly. This bundle includes the standard edition of Rock Band 4 for Xbox One and a wireless Fender Stratocaster guitar. Get ready to rock. What we like. It comes with a wireless guitar and has access to more than 1,500 songs. If you are looking for a complete rock band experience with tons of music choices and the freedom to create your own solos, this is the perfect bundle for you. It's ideal for players who want to express their creativity and have a wide variety of songs to play. What people say. The new Guitar Solo Free Play feature is pretty cool. It's basically like the drum solo in RB3, which means you can go crazy on the guitar just for fun. Graphics are mildly improved. Notes have a more glowing electric crystalline appearance. Crowd visuals are a lot better. The new Tour mode seems more interesting than the previous game's single player. It's not a major leap, but it does offer a little more and has some branch options and funny happenings along the way, crowd-based song requests, random costume requirements, and more. Number 4. PDP Rock Band Rivals Bundle. Get ready to rock. This bundle includes everything you need to experience the thrill of Rock Band Rivals on your Xbox One. It's been fully tested and certified to be like new. This bundle has been carefully refurbished. That means it's been tested, cleaned, and inspected to ensure it looks and works like new. You'll get the same great gaming experience as with a brand new product. Let's take a closer look. Inside, you'll find the wireless Fender Jaguar guitar, everything needed to play, and all the accessories you expect. It has passed rigorous functionality testing to guarantee a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. You can expect it to perform flawlessly. It's ready to plug in and play. Simply connect it to your Xbox One and start rocking out with your friends. Enjoy the game. While it may arrive in a generic box, the contents are brand new. The quality and performance are not affected by the packaging. What we like. This is a cost-effective option with a Fender Jaguar guitar. If you're on a budget but still want a quality instrument and gaming experience, this is a great choice. It's been tested and certified to work like new, so you get a great deal without sacrificing performance. This is perfect for budget-conscious musicians. What people say. The guitar works flawlessly, even better than the red one I bought a few weeks ago. I like how it can fold to be carried around, and it seems a better quality than the other guitar I bought. I don't feel like it will fold up while I play if I push on it hard enough. The game is near perfect in my opinion. Almost all of the old DLC and exports transfer to Rock Band 4, so I instantly had a library of 300 plus songs to play with along with the music on disc. With the addition of the Rivals expansion, there is a new mode called Rockadrama, which is essentially like playing a documentary. Out of the box it looked awesome. I love the new folding feature. It makes it easier to store and transport if you need to haul the whole bundle over to a friend's house. Number 3. PDP Rock Band Rivals Band Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of live music. This kit has everything you need to become a rock legend. Feel the energy with its realistic instrument design. It provides an immersive and responsive playing experience. It seamlessly integrates with the game, making every note count. Enjoy precise and accurate gameplay. Play without wires, giving you the freedom to move around and rock out. Experience the joy of untethered performance. It's specifically designed for Xbox One, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. Plug and play for instant rockstar action. It includes everything you need to start your band. Get ready to jam with friends and conquer the charts. What we like. It includes everything you need for a full band experience. If you want to start a band immediately with all the necessary equipment, this is the bundle for you. The wireless setup makes it easy to play with friends without the hassle of wires. This is perfect for groups wanting a hassle-free setup. What people say. When I received this game, I was pleasantly surprised how different the quality was compared to my old Rock Band set. I was also excited to learn that both the drums and the guitar were fully wireless. Microphone is still corded, but I think that adds to the effect of realism. The new bass pedal is vastly superior to any previous pedal. The pads feel very responsive to bounce strokes and there is a lot less lag between hitting notes and the game receiving the signal that a pad has been hit. Also, you can actually roll now on the drums without having random notes dropped. The folding guitar is super lightweight and the buttons feel very responsive. The microphone is extremely sensitive, so shy singers don't have to worry. Number 2. Rock Band 4 Xbox One. Get ready to rock. This edition is for Xbox One and includes everything you need to start your band. Grab your instruments and feel the rhythm. It's time to make some music. Experience the thrill of performing live on stage with friends. It's the ultimate music game. With tons of songs and options, it offers endless hours of fun. You'll never get bored. It's the perfect game for parties and gatherings. Get ready for a night of musical fun. It's easy to pick up and play, but mastering it takes skill and practice. Challenge yourself. What we like. This is the most affordable option if you already own the instruments. If you are looking for just the game, this is a great way to save money and expand your music library with digital downloads. This is perfect for those who already have their own instruments and just need the game. What people say. During family get-togethers, this is a huge hit that keeps everyone entertained. It is enhanced if you have a very loud sound system. Hours and hours of fun with this game that just about any age can play due to varying difficulty levels on all instruments. Just as described, works in my Xbox Series X and I use the Riff Master guitar. The game came quickly and in perfect condition. Our family has spent many hours playing it over the months we have had it. Number 1. Rock Band 4 Bundle, Xbox One. Experience the thrill of a live performance like never before with Rock Band 4. Grab your friends and unleash your inner rock star. It features over 60 new tracks from legendary and emerging artists. Plus, you can access more than 1,500 songs through the in-game store and import your old Rock Band library. Show off your skills with freestyle guitar solos, dynamic drum fills, and vocal improvisation. Make every performance your own. The new shows mode makes multiplayer even more fun. Create set lists, vote on songs, adjust difficulty, and join or leave whenever you want. This awesome bundle includes the game, a wireless Fender Stratocaster guitar, a wireless drum kit, and a professional quality USB microphone. Everything you need to start rocking. What we like. It offers a complete wireless band setup including a microphone. If you're looking for the ultimate band experience with all the instruments and a microphone for singing, this is the bundle for you. The wireless setup makes it easy to play with friends, and the microphone adds a whole new dimension to the gameplay. This is perfect for those who want a complete and convenient rock band experience. What people say. Best game I've ever played, especially because it's one of the few games on the new generation consoles that are more than 2-player. I've read a lot of reviews claiming the disc won't play, the instruments are off or don't work, and some people are unable to download previously purchased DLC. Well, I can honestly say I haven't had any problems whatsoever. All of my instruments work, there's no problem there. Functionality-wise, everything works fine, for the most part. Instrumentation works with signs of normal wear and tear, and the disc plays fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.